let's create a Christmas knit pattern in Adobe Photoshop. So let's click on New File. Then click on Web and select Web Large. Width will be 1920, height will be 1080, and resolution will be 72. Make sure to uncheck the Artboards option and click on Create. Now left-click hold on the Rectangle tool option and then select the Ellipse tool. Then left-click anywhere on the canvas and you will get this panel. Set width to 250 pixels and height to 750 pixels and click on OK. Select the Move tool now and rotate the shape towards left. You can either manually rotate it or go to the Transform panel and set the angle value here to -30. Now let's make a duplicate of the shape by pressing Alt plus J. Now select the shape and press Ctrl plus T and right-click and select Flip Vertical. Then left-click, hold, and drag and place the shape touching each other like so. And click on the check to confirm. Now let's trim the canvas. So click on Image, then Trim. And as you can see, Transparent Pixels option is grayed out. To fix this, we need to hide our background by clicking on the eye icon. And now if we go in Image, Trim, Transparent Pixels option is available. So click on it with all these options selected and click OK. Our canvas is trimmed to fit just the shapes. Now click on Edit, then click Define Pattern. Give your pattern a name and click on OK. Now click on File, then New, select Custom, and set width to 1920, height to 1080, and resolution to 300. Make sure Artboards option is unchecked and click on Create. Now right-click hold on the Gradient tool and select the Paint Bucket tool. Then click on the foreground color and set it to black and click on OK. Then click anywhere on the canvas to fill with selected color. Then click on the Adjustment Layer option and select Pattern. Click on the drop-down icon and select the pattern you just created and click on OK. If you hide the background layer, you will see the pattern. Now select the Move tool and click on File, then click on Place Embedded and select the background of your choice and click Place. Now take your cursor to the top corner and left-click and drag to cover the canvas. Once done, click on the check to confirm. Now in the Layers panel, place your cursor between the background image and pattern fill and hold Alt and click to create a clipping mask. Now click on the pattern and set scale to 2 and click OK. And now unhide the background layer. Press Ctrl plus 0 to make your canvas to fit to screen. And we are done. Hope you liked the tutorial. Hope you got to learn something new. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.